Record when your phone is in landscape mode and not in vertical mode. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shania Matanji. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can make a YouTube video on your phone. No camera, no laptop. Not only recording guys, but the whole process from the beginning to the editing. If you are interested, please keep watching. If you are somebody who has been asking yourself, how am I going to start a YouTube channel because you don't own a laptop or a camera, then I got you, because on this video I'm going to share with you important things you need to know when you are making a video for your YouTube by using your phone. I'm going to share with you how your background should be, tips you need to know when you are recording by using your phone, audio, lighting and editing. Without any further blah blah, let's go to the topic. Before sitting down and starting recording, you have to create your background. Your background is what your viewer will see behind you. There is ways you can come up with a beautiful background. You can use your wall, you can use a drop paper, you can use fabric, you can use your house, like your living room, your room, your office, wherever, but you have to make sure that your background reflects your brand. When recording by using your phone, you should keep your background simple, because most of the phone doesn't have blur background. Your viewer will see exactly what is behind you. You need all focus to be on you. You need all attention to be on you. Keep your background simple and clear. You got it? Okay, let's get to the next topic. Record when your phone is in landscape mode and not in vertical mode, because when you are recording by using a vertical mode, your video will be thin and it will be between too dark, and that decreases the value of your video. You need your video to be wide. Also, when you are recording, you have to find something to hold your phone. When you are recording, you can use any camera. You can use a back camera or a front camera. When you are using a back camera, you will not see what you are doing. You need somebody there to help you. But if you don't have somebody to help you, you can just use a mirror, your phone, and then the mirror. So that way you can see exactly what you are doing. If you are using a front camera, the biggest mistake people do is by looking at themselves. You have to look at the length. You can make a eye contact with the viewers. Okay? Audio make 50% of your video. You can buy a microphone because they are cheap. I just ordered one. Or you can just find somewhere quiet and start recording your video. Also, you can just record and then mute the video and attach the sound when you are editing. That's simple. Light is important. Light change the quality of the video. Before starting recording your video, you have to lock your light on your phone. You can do that by double clicking your screen and then increase or decrease the light. By that way, you can lock your light. Please lock your light first. You can then find a natural light in your living room, in your bedroom, in your office. If your source of light is a window, just look at the window. You have to face the light. If your camera faces the light, your video will be dark, and you don't need a dark video. You cannot post your video without editing, because that will be like a strange video. Editing is when you are cutting out your mistake that you don't want your viewers to see. Music, text, and a lot of graphic. So you just have to edit your video. When you're using your phone, there is a lot of apps out there you can use to edit your video. For example, I am using a KineMaster. It has 2 vision and I am in paid vision. Then after doing all of that, then it comes the time of posting video. I cannot go through with that because that is the whole another video. If you want to know how I post my video, please comment below and then I will do the whole video for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, give this video a thumb up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.